Moment here. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. You ready? Ooh. Ooh. Neat. Alrighty. That's it. Shop wiring's done. I just gotta put those covers on there. And one thing here, I bought a smart light switch. And it's Bluetooth, and it works great in here. It works okay right on the other side of the door. And you get up in the house and you go to use the switch with the phone and no good. So I figured I'd make it fit. I'd see if it worked before I installed it. If you look here, all the switches, you have to break off the little pieces. Well, this has that. I'd have to cut that. So before I cut up a $40 light switch, I tried it first. Looking for other options. I don't know if I really don't want one of those Google blah 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 or the Alexa or whatever the heck they are. I don't want one, but I want to be able to turn my shop lights off from the house if I forget. You know, I don't want to go out here in the middle of the night and say I leave the shop lights on. Probably stupid. Oh well. So anyway, I got to test that one out. I got to get a cord for that. But yeah, outlets everywhere. So some of the outlets are white and some of them are almond. You may be able to tell. I didn't even notice. These all the white ones Jay gave to me. Thank you, Jay. You see, that's one circuit there. GFI starts every circuit, has code. So this outlet has six. This circuit has 6 outlets. There's another circuit. 1, 2. This one has 6 outlets. That's for the welder. See this circuit? This one has 6 outlets. There's another GFCI. All right, and then this circuit only has 4 outlets. Yeah, not all of them have 6. Most of them have. Some have. We got 3s, and we balanced it out as best I could. So this one here, got a GFCI over there, and you got an outlet there, 2 outlets there, and 3 outlets here, and USBs. So you can charge phones, whatever. Alrighty, that's the white ones. Then we get to the almond. I didn't even notice I bought almond receptacles and almond GFCIs. Oh well. They'll all look the same. They'll all get dark. So that's one circuit there. Those 4 outlets, that's one circuit there. And then that's the lights. And there's outlets here. There's a GFCI here. I was looking for just a dummy GFCI with no outlet. They're like 25 bucks. I got 3 GFCIs for $31. So like, I'll put little child covers there or something so people don't plug stuff in there. That doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's the lights are plugged in. Actually, see there. Lights are actually plugged into the switch now. 2 of them are. Yep, see? So yeah, so then there's another circuit. Last receptacle circuit. There's 5 outlets on this circuit. There's a GFCI here and a regular outlet. And over here is a regular, has 2 outlets. And then on the outside of the wall here, I have a GFCI, and that they're just set like both loads. One load goes to this one load goes to that one. I didn't want to have the chop tripping out and anything inside if something outside trips. So I mean, it's probably overkill, but you know, I like it with the house. Something stupid I did was the bathroom GFCI is outside. If it rains hard and water gets into the GFCI gets damp, the bathroom lights go out. I didn't want to have any of that, so that's why I did it that way. Yeah, that's where we're at here. Fixing Mom's van. I got a Dodge Dakota out there to fix. I got this heater for now. This thing's a propane hog. Actually, this propane canister has some propane in it, but it froze up. Not real cold today. Just taking the dampness out of the air, but yeah, I got to get the boiler and get the floor heat in, and I got to slow down. Not enough money. So yeah, I put a new oil pressure switch in there. That light came on. There's the switch. my socket just barely reached. A lot of my tools are old, you know, so a long thing on there. I thought I had the right socket for that, but it barely reached with the length of this plastic thing. But I got it. So yeah, that's yeah, replace that on Mom's van. Hopefully the oil light will go out. That's something new. Just one day we're driving it, the oil light come on. Radiator started leaking. I'm getting ready to drain it here. Looked like it might have been leaking out of the petcock, but you know what? There's no repairing that. I'll just put a new radiator. It wasn't expensive. Just, you know, what a pain in the ass. This is all clipped together with like plastic clips and stuff. Oh, look, I used alternator. Well, I didn't put that on there. Oh, yeah. So that's where we're at with this, and then I got a Dodge Dakota out there to work on, and I got to tear into this. There's so much to do. Getting out of my funk here. Yeah, lots of. Now I got power out in the garage. I can put all these extension cords away. I still have these plugged in over here, but like I said, I gotta figure what to do with that light switch. Might just take it back. I'm looking for something that'll work. I don't know. I don't want nothing to listen to me, but I want the convenience of being able to control my lights from the house. And I guess I got to go 2.4 gigahertz and go with the SPY stuff. So I don't know. Maybe somebody can give me some suggestions out there on YouTube. But yeah, I was excited to plug my welder in there and hear it working. Now I gotta. I already put the new end on my cord, didn't I? Yeah, I put the new end on the cord too. Yeah, there we go. Yep. So there we go. So that's I gotta get a cord for the air compressor. Now I can't run it like this. The electrical inspector will be screaming. So I gotta get some kind. That's a dryer plug, and I'm gonna use a dryer cord, but I'm gonna wrap it in armored cable somehow. I don't know. Trying to be cheap, you know, like didn't want to spend $30 on plugs, you know. It's ridiculous, you know. The price of electrical stuff is outrageous, freaking outrageous. So I got a lot of extra wire too. Like, anybody want to wire another building? That's 12 gauge that's left, and that's all the 14 that's left. And then when I was sold the wire, somebody goofed up and gave me 212, so I have. Somebody gave me this 14 gauge in place of a 12, so I have 2 spools with black 12. Yeah, that's 500 foot there. Yeah, probably relisted on eBay or something. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to need it. You know, everything else is wired with Romex. I don't think I'm going to need any more lights out here. You know, if I do get anything else that's going to be added here will be wiring for 2 lifts. And yeah, I'm not even. The wiring for 2 lifts, but I have to run 10 gauge for that, so I don't have that wire anyway. So anyway, that's what we're up to. Rusty old Dodge. Rusty everything around here. Rain, rain, rain. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see from the camera. Probably not. Nope, can't see from here too well. There's a piece of siding popped off the house. They kind of pissed me off. Oh, look at that. The light's blinded by the light. That's not a light in my yard. That's the flash from the camera. But yeah, a piece of siding popped out there. They're coming Friday to fix some stuff, and yeah, whatever. Just gets me mad. Spend all that money and things aren't right. So anyway, guys, watch out for updates. We'll be tearing into this thing soon. I got a Dodge Dakota out there, about the same color. Must be the reddish brown week of things. But yeah, Mom's trusty old van here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Hope I can get another couple of years out of it. It's getting pretty rusty underneath there, but I mean, nothing like you Canadians or New Yorkers. But you know, I mean, look, it's just quarter panels are starting to go. See that? Quarter rock. Yeah, going, wheel wells going, tailgate's starting to go, and you don't really see it there. Maybe I'm too picky. And then down here, it's starting to rot. And the rocker panel's gone over here. Got some Gorilla tape on it. But yeah, I mean, it's solid otherwise. Headlights are cracked up, faded. Not gonna be able to polish them. They got deep cracks in them. Yeah, I don't know. Just don't want to put too much money into it. But you know, then again, if we get something new, it's not gonna get any miles on it. And one other thing I noticed, I don't know where this happened. I know I didn't do it. I'm careful about where I park. Somebody keyed this thing. Either somebody keyed the van right here, or contractor scratched it carrying building materials. I'm leaning towards the second thing there, because You know, why would somebody key the van? You know, I'm always conscious about where I park and not parking too close to anybody and whatever, who knows. But, yep, there you go, 10 minutes, and I'll upload this to YouTube, and we'll talk to you later. Take care, guys. Have a good one. Stay warm.